Hello viewers, and welcome to another video from Daiwame Cars. Today I'm excited to show you this 1999 Hyundai Santro that we have for sale. This Santro is in good condition for its age and has only had 3 previous owners. Some key features of this Santro are 1.1L 4-cylinder petrol engine with about 75,000 kilometers, 5-speed manual transmission, power steering factory, AC dual front airbags, alloy wheels, aftermarket stereo system. The Santro runs and drives well, with the engine and transmission operating smoothly. For a car that's nearly 25 years old, it's held up nicely. The interior is also in good shape, with no major wear on the seats or dashboard. It's spacious inside too, making it a practical hatchback for a small family. At just 63,000 rupees, this Santro is an excellent value for a used car. The price is quite reasonable given its age and condition. So if you're looking for an affordable, reliable hatchback for your daily commute or as a second car, be sure to check out this 1999 Hyundai Santro. Swing by Daiwame Cars here in Coimbatore for a test drive. Let us know in the comments if you have any other questions about this Santro. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more used car videos. Thanks for watching.